Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into a must-have for anyone concerned with lead exposure. I'm excited to introduce you to what many consider the best in lead removal towels on the market, the WT-151 Wipe Disposable Towels. These towels are a game-changer for environments where lead contamination is a concern. Whether you're a contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who wants a safe and effective way to remove lead, these towels from ESCA-Tech are designed with your needs in mind. Let's talk about what sets these apart. Each container comes packed with 150 disposable towels, making them convenient and ready to use. They're formulated to effectively remove lead and other heavy metals from skin surfaces and tools, ensuring safety without the need for harsh chemicals. The WT-151 wipe towels are not just for professionals. They're incredibly handy for anyone working with lead-based paints, batteries, or in environments with potential lead exposure. They're gentle on the skin, yet tough on contaminants, offering peace of mind with every wipe. When compared to other lead removal methods, these towels stand out for their efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Priced competitively, they deliver exceptional value with each use, especially considering their effectiveness and ease of use. While I won't delve into specific customer reviews, it's clear from user feedback that these towels are highly regarded for their performance and reliability. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable solution to manage lead exposure safely and effectively, the WT-151 Wipe Disposable Towels deserve serious consideration. Their practical design, ease of use, and proven effectiveness make them a standout choice in the market. That wraps up our review of the WT-151 Wipe Disposable Towels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Have you tried these towels? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.